Yo, so Bulls versus Mavericks. Should be a decent one already. 13-5 though. There's Vooch. Mavs have been playing really good lately, you feel me? Have lost a couple games though, so they gotta really go crazy. Cut. Jones. Damn. Oh yeah, White used to play for. I meant Jones used to play for the Bulls. Okay. Damn. Luka got it. Luka Doncic. Okay. So good, bro. He's so good. PJ Washington. His second field goal. Kind of pushed the acquiring of Gafford's been excellent for them. Bulls been playing better than been in a lot of games that they've been playing. Kobe White has been absolutely balling. DeRozan. They're in the play-in, so I think 9th, right? I mean, they still got a chance, right? A chance is everything. Okay, but they're already getting smoked. Luka! Mid-range. Luka's had, oh my, he already has 9, 6, and 6. He already has 9, 6, and 6, bro. The best thing he has is 30-point triple-doubles, bro. This man is different. This man is different, bro. Another assist. Oh my gosh, he does it all. It's crazy. It's already at 20. Bro, I'm about to get out of here, bro. Obviously, it's very easy to come back in the NBA. And it's only the first quarter, but it's 25, bro, already, bro. I am about to dip skis, bro. I'm about to hit the motherfucking dip skis, bro. Green? Nah, bro. 30-point game in the first quarter is crazy. Bro. No. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm sorry. There's just no. I don't have time for this, bro. Like, there's no, like, bro. This is a massacre, bro. This is a fucking massacre. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Finally.
Off that elbow, there's so many different variations you can do.
Who's even in for Bulls? I don't hear the Bulls saying bang 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 today. Announcer. Come on. Come on.
Well, you see 3 defenders all guarding Doncic at various points, and he just slips it easily to Lively. Vucevic against Lively. The fake, the footwork, another fake.
Which is nice on offense, bro. 20-point game.
The NBA, it's allowing a very high opponent efficiency this year. DeRozan drives. Gafford was there to deter, and he still finished it against the X. On the slip. 24 straight makes for one of the most efficient in the league.
Okay.
DeRozan, speaking of efficiency.
Right now.
Come on, DeMar.
At 6 straight with 30-plus points, an NBA record, passing Russell Westbrook's mark of
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
And he still got the jumper to go down after a one in there to knock it free.
Oh my goodness, Mr. Irving. Gafford is banging down there. Someone get down there, bro.
Kobe White around and out.
This is crazy.
3 of 20. What a pass. Doncic to Gafford.
Yeah.
26 in a row. They've got a big rebounding advantage.
So moving. Okay.
6 turnovers, 14 points off those turnovers.
White. It's almost 30 again. I'm going, bro. I'm sorry. It's just. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The massacre. The massacre. 92. 102. It's almost 40. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's high 30s. Oh my gosh. It got that bad. Oh my gosh.